Crash Course on Ecuador, Baños. Welcome to the vibrant town of Baños, nestled in the heart of Ecuador's central Andes. Known as the gateway to the Amazon, Baños is a captivating destination that offers a perfect blend of natural wonders and exhilarating adventures. In this crash course, we will explore fascinating stories and examples that will ignite your curiosity and sense of wanderlust. We will then embark on a journey through the top 12 attractions of Baños, showcasing its breathtaking landscapes, hot springs, and adrenaline-pumping activities. Story 1: The Miraculous Waterfalls. Baños is blessed with an abundance of majestic waterfalls that cascade down from the surrounding mountains. These cascades are believed to possess healing powers and have inspired countless stories and legends. One of the most renowned waterfalls is the Pailon del Diablo, known for its impressive volume of water and its captivating beauty. Story 2: The Swing at the Edge of the World. At the edge of Baños, there is a unique attraction that has gained international fame: the Swing at the Edge of the World. Perched on a hill, this swing offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Tungurahua volcano and the lush valley below. It's an exhilarating experience that will make you feel like you're soaring through the clouds. Top 12 attractions of Baños. 1. Pailon del Diablo. Marvel at the power and beauty of this impressive waterfall and experience the thrill of walking through its misty trails. 2. Swing at the Edge of the World. Feel the rush as you swing above the abyss and capture stunning photos of the surrounding landscapes. 3. Baños Hot Springs. Relax and rejuvenate in the natural hot springs that are fed by the thermal waters of the Tungurahua volcano. 4. Casa del Arbol. Visit the famous treehouse and take a ride on the swing that overlooks the breathtaking scenery of Baños. 5. Tungurahua Volcano. Observe the majestic Tungurahua volcano and witness its occasional eruptions from a safe distance. 6. La Ruta de las Cascades. Embark on a scenic bike ride along the route of the waterfalls, and witness the beauty of numerous cascades. 7. Virgin of the Waterfall. Hike up to the towering statue of the Virgin Mary, perched on a cliff overlooking the city. 8. Baños Butterfly Garden. Explore the enchanting world of butterflies and learn about their life cycles in a vibrant tropical garden. 9. Baños Zoo. Encounter native Ecuadorian animals and learn about their conservation at this small yet captivating zoo. 10. Baños Orchid Farm. Delve into the world of orchids and admire the stunning variety of species in this beautiful farm. 11. El Salado Thermal Baths. Enjoy a relaxing soak in these natural hot springs surrounded by lush greenery. 12. Adventure Sports. Indulge in adrenaline-pumping activities such as rafting, canyoning, biking, and ziplining. Summarizing Baños. Baños, with its remarkable natural beauty and thrilling adventures, is a must-visit destination in Ecuador. Whether you're seeking relaxation in hot springs, chasing waterfalls, or seeking an adrenaline rush, Baños has it all. The town's vibrant atmosphere, friendly locals, and stunning landscapes make it an ideal place to experience the best that Ecuador has to offer. Poem. In the heart of Ecuador, a town so grand. Baños, where nature's wonders stand. Waterfalls cascade, their beauty divine. As adventure beckons, an adrenaline line. From the swing at the edge of the world to the healing waters, their powers unfurled. Hot springs soothe and relax the soul, while Tungurahua's eruptions take their toll. The Pailon del Diablo, a spectacle of might, as misty trails guide us through the night. Cascades abound along the scenic route, revealing nature's treasures. Oh, how they astound! Baños, where the butterflies dance and orchids bloom in a vibrant trance. The Virgin watches from her cliffside throne. A guardian of the town, she's made it her own. Adventure awaits, from rafting to biking. Ziplining through the canopy, our spirits striking. Baños, a paradise for thrill-seekers bold. A symphony of nature, a story to be told. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of Ecuador, where adventure lies, Baños awaits with open skies. Waterfalls and hot springs, a haven for the soul. The beauty of nature, it takes its toll. Chorus. Baños, Baños, a place to explore. where the mountains beckon and the spirits soar. From the swing at the edge to cascades so grand. Baños, the jewel of Ecuador's land. Verse 2. Tungurahua watches with fiery might, as we marvel at its volcanic light. Pailon del Diablo, a waterfall's embrace, guiding us through its mystical space. Chorus. Baños, Baños, a place to explore, where the mountains beckon and the spirits soar. From the swing at the edge to cascades so grand. Baños, the jewel of Ecuador's land. Bridge. Relax in hot springs, let your worries fade, as the healing waters come to your aid. Butterflies dance in gardens so fair. Orchids bloom, perfuming the air. Chorus. Baños, Baños, a place to explore, where the mountains beckon and the spirits soar. From the swing at the edge to cascades so grand. Baños, the jewel of Ecuador's land. Ending note. Asterisk 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 Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.